All right, dimensional analysis. Let's go from feet, a number of feet, to a number of miles. So think about that difference, right? Feet are really short compared to a mile, which is very, very long. In fact, we can see over here on our little handy reference sheet, that's in your dashboard if you're in the Algebra Student membership. But you can just reference really quickly that 1 mile is thousands of feet, right? So I know that even though this is many thousands of feet, it's only going to be a couple of miles, right? It's going to be a small number. So I know that the number's less than 10,750. In fact, it's probably less than 3, somewhere around 2. All right, so let's think about how we actually do the conversion. You always start with the number that you're given, so 10,750 feet, and you always multiply by a fraction, and you want to get rid of feet. You want to get rid of that word, literally, and so you need a conversion. You need something that's connected and equivalent. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So 1 mile. All right, that way we can cancel those out. And now we're to what we were trying to get to. We're miles, and so that's what we have here. So we're going to multiply across the top. Anything times 1 is itself. Multiply across the bottom. The only thing on the bottom is the 5,280. And then we're just ready to multiply or divide. So we've got 10,750 divided by 5,280. Yeah, it's just barely over 2 miles. So it's about 2.04 miles. All right. And that number makes sense. We said it should be less than 10,000. We actually knew it would be like 2 to 3, somewhere in there. All right. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.